Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this lecture and here I am going to talk about biofuels. Biofuels are the fuels derived from biomass. Biomass is the biological material that may be of plant origin, animal origin, and that biomass can be used directly or indirectly as a source of energy, as a fuel. For example, wood can be directly burned to get energy, and indirectly also from that biomass, fuels can be generated like bioethanol, biodiesel, and these can be used as a source of energy. Now, these biofuels are better than conventional fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are non-renewable, exhaustible, and also causes environmental pollution. So, these must be replaced with biofuels. Now, let's talk about biofuels in detail, their advantages, properties, and different types. What are biofuels? Biofuels are the fuels that have been produced directly or indirectly from the biomass. Biomass is the biological material that may be of plant origin or animal origin and that can be used for the generation of biofuels. And plant materials like trees, agricultural waste, crops, grasses, and waste animal material, these all can be used for the generation of biofuels. And when we talk about conventional fossil fuels, these have been generated slowly by the geological processes, but biofuels have been generated from the biological materials. And the examples of biofuels are bioethanol, biodiesel, biogas, etc. Drawbacks of fossil fuels. There are certain limitations of fossil fuels are there. So these must be replaced with biofuels. And these limitations are these are non-renewable. That means these cannot be produced again and again. They have taken millions of years to get produced. These have been produced slowly by the geochemical processes and these are present in a limited amounts, and due to the increasing population these have been depleting at a faster rate. So there must be present an alternate source of energy and these may be biofuels. Second one is these fossil fuels produce environmental hazards on burning. On burning of fossil fuels, they produce uh, different oxides of carbon like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide. Carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas that produces toxic effects on the humans, animals, and carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas that can cause global warming. And besides that, nitrogen and sulfur oxides also releases on burning of fossil fuels that may cause acid rain and thus they produce hazards to the environment. And besides that, crude oil is very hazardous. That is very much hazardous to handle the crude oil. Thus these fossil fuels are hazardous. Now the other hazardous effects of the fossil fuels are they can affect the human health. On burning of fossil fuels, they release so many toxic elements into the environment, oxides of carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, particulate matter, and all that. These all pollutants affect the human health badly. These may produce respiratory diseases like chronic asthma. These may cause low lung functioning, chronic bronchitis, and also can also cause cardiovascular diseases. And it is not safe to handle the fossil fuels. Always accidental hazards are associated with them. Example is like oil spills. Oil may release into the water bodies accidentally and that may cause death of the aquatic animals. Besides causing the death of the aquatic animals, that can also affect the organisms which are living offshore. And these oil and fossil fuels are also not easily degraded from the environment or removed from the environment. These may when spill over the earth, and these may produce various deleterious effects on the soil health also. And there are mining hazards are also associated with the fossil fuels. And the reasons which are used for mining of fossil fuels are always become damaged with time. And mining of coal is also very dangerous, and that mining operations ultimately causes deforestation, and deforestation has also so many dangerous consequences that may affect the biodiversity, that may affect the environment and all that. So fossil fuels, there are several hazards are associated with fossil fuels, so these must be replaced with biofuels. Advantages of biofuels. There are so many advantages are there of biofuels, and which make them more attractive as compared to the fossil fuels. And these are clean fuels. As we have discussed in the fossil fuels, that fossil fuels emit greenhouse gases, particulate matters into the environment, but biofuels are cleaner as compared to the fossil fuels. They do not emit such kind of materials into the environment, so these do not cause environmental pollution. So these are clean fuels. These are easily biodegradable, and when accidental release of these fuels if takes place into the environment, they produce less harm as compared to the fossil fuels because they easily degrade from the environment. These are efficient fuels. These are renewable sources, and so we can generate them again and again. These are less flammable as compared to the fossil fuels, and these are also having better lubricating properties as compared to the fossil fuels. Cost benefit is also associated with them. And biofuels cost, if we see these, this is actually same as that of the gasoline or the fossil fuels, but as these are cleaner fuels, so these are attracting more and more people. And with time, when demand of these biofuels increases more and more, that and in the near future they may become more cheaper as compared to the fossil fuels. And also they emit less harmful gases into the environment, or they do not emit such harmful gases into the environment, and these characteristics makes these biofuels more attractive as compared to the fossil fuels, so their demand will increase in the near future and they will become more cheaper. Durability of vehicles engine. As biofuels like biodiesel, when used in the combustion in the engines or in the vehicles, the durability of the engine increases because these biofuels do not emit harmful gases into the environment and also do not hazard the engines of the vehicles, so engine becomes more durable. They do not require maintenance or repair, and also do not cause the pollution. And these all factors also check the costs. And engines designed to work with biofuels produce less emissions than the other engines, so these increases the durability of the vehicle's engine. So vehicle's engine need not to be replaced or repaired or maintained as that of the engines which are used with fossil fuels. Now some more advantages of biofuels are renewable. That means these can be produced again and again. And when we see fossil fuels uh, generates in millions of years, but these biofuels can be generated again and again in a short period of time. And these also affect the economy. Not every country has a large reserves of crude oil, and due to this, countries depend upon the other countries for the for the crude oil, and that puts and due to the transport cost and all other factors that produce a huge dent in the economy of a country. If more people start shifting towards biofuels, a country can reduce its dependence on fossil fuels, and biofuel production increases the demand for suitable biofuel crops, and that also boosts the agricultural industry. Fueling homes, businesses and vehicles with biofuels are less expensive as compared to the fossil fuels. More jobs will also be created with a growing biofuel industry, and which will keep the economy of a country secure. These biofuels reduce the dependence also for the fossil fuels on the foreign countries. While locally grown crops have reduced the nation's dependence on fossil fuels, many experts believe that it will take a long time to solve our energy needs as prices of crude oil are becoming very high. We need some more alternative sources of energy that reduce the dependence of our country on the fossil fuels. So these are the different benefits which make these biofuels attractive as compared to the fossil fuels.